Suppose that a committee is studying whether or not there is waste of time in our judicial system. It is interested in the mean amount of time individuals waste at the courthouse waiting to be called for service. The committee randomly surveys 81 people. The sample mean is 8 hours with a sample standard deviation of 4 hours. Find a 95% confidence interval for the mean time wasted. Well, we're going to ask GeoGebra to give us the interval, but we need to look at the information, collect the information, because we need to input it into GeoGebra and decide what sort of a confidence interval we are trying to form. So the information given is that we have a survey of 81 people. So the sample size is 81, that's N, with a sample mean of 8 hours. So we have a sample mean of 8 hours and a sample standard deviation of 4 hours. So this is the information that GeoGebra is going to need in order to calculate the confidence interval for us. So let's go and see how that's done. Okay, notice you have to be in spreadsheet mode to get the probability calculator, which we'll be using in just a minute. See, if you're on graphics, that choice doesn't exist. So make sure that you've highlighted a cell in the spreadsheet. Even though we're not actually going to use the spreadsheet, we need to get the probability calculator. So there it is. We click probability calculator, and this is what we see. We're interested in statistics, and we are trying to calculate a t-estimate of a mean. So we're going to estimate the mean using the t-distribution. That's what we need. So t-estimate of a mean. Confidence level. What was the confidence level? Let's go back and see. 95%. Forgot about that. Confidence level 95%, so that's good. Mean of 8. Sample standard deviation of 4, and N number sample size would be 81. And down here we have our answer. The interval is from 7.1155 to 8.8845, which written in plus or minus notation is 8 plus or minus 0.8845. Margin of error, 0.8845. Sample mean, 8. And then we have the lower and upper limits. And degrees of freedom, 80. One less than the sample size. Okay, so to answer our question, 7.11, well, we'll call it 7.12 to 8.88. So the confidence interval itself is the interval from 7.12 to 8.88 hours.